We're back on the beach.
Can I hold it? Yes! Can I?
Make sure I don't lose it.
Can you put it in the water? Can I move?
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Oh.
Okay, guys, let's go. Together with Ali, bro. So fun, so cool, so generous. Okay, we're in Whangarei, bro. Ow! 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 Come on, turn around. So guys, we're sitting and they're all the way down there.
Oh, you guys good? You guys good?
Okay, so we're in Whangarei in the beach and it's so clear and the sun feels so good. Look at this little dude. Look at this dude. The big waves are legitimately covering them. It's been 3 minutes and 39 seconds together. Us together. Us two siblings. Oh, we're together. They're all the way down there. Ali and his friend. Yeah. But the children of him. Yeah. I think you guys already know that. Okay, so we're gonna go down. Woo! Oh my god, there's a big wave coming. Run.
I didn't see that! Oh my god, guys, look at that one! I did not see that!
Look at the sand, it's like so smooth and nice.
Put me in.
Yeah. Come on, let's try to go to them. Let's see, my brother doesn't sing. I can go. I can. But my brother's like really short.
Stay hydrated. Don't get dehydrated in this heat, and live your life. So, Zohan is gonna try climb all the way up. Can you make it?
No.
You're gonna try?
Yeah.
Good boy. Let's go.
Fuck boy. We might pull that thing down. It might work. Who knows? I don't know if you
Make
guys
space
can
for your
see.
leg first. Make space like this for your legs.
Dig a hole.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep going.
He might pull it. We don't know.
Keep going.
You can do this.
You can do it. Almost there.
Just think about it. No, he was close, but he pulled that thing down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this.
Look at the sand on him.
Try again.
Go down. Go down.
Get dead, he's gonna race you.
Racism.
Race you.
Yeah, you're racist.
What is it racist?
What is it racist?
What are you calling a white?
No, what's it?
It's white with sand. See, he's already white. And you are black now.
Racist.
Black lives matter.
Yes.
Oh, white lives matter too.
At certain points.
Oh god, that's racist.
No. You're turning into a cherry. They started looking at that bike. They forgot about the poor child. Is that bad?
Into the water.
show these guys how it's done.
Fat guy pushed him. Yo. They're having a full-on competition. Oh, he's close. He's close. Woo.
This is how it's done. Only five.
Oh.
Oh no!
Close. You just slide down. But you have to climb down and then slide. Go. Oh, yo. Your turn. Oh, poor guy is swimming alone.
That was crazy. Yo, you guys should have. What's this? Can I make it again? With the camera. You guys look at this.
Always be blessed of the small things you have, because whatever you have right now, there are many people in this world who are craving to have those things. Be blessed, be humble, love what you have and love the people around you. Huh?
Make me a stand blanket.
Huh?
Can you make me a stand blanket?
Okay.
Can you hold the camera? Should I lie down?
Wait.
Okay. Look at him.
Huh? Ako muna siya.
It's one of a kind.
My turn. My turn.
Huh?
My turn. My turn.
Okay.
Promise?
No. Yeah.
Can I? Oh, okay, but see, I'm this tall. Hat. No.
Wait, can you put my thumb up? Please? Can you put my thumb up here?
Huh?
Can you put my thumb? No, what are you doing? You need this in your body.
Can I go in there?
Yes, my thumb.
Okay.
I'm a sandcastle.
Ow! It's heavy on my.
I know
Me.
that's what hurts, right? Does it hurt? It's a quad.